So hi everyone, and by the way, for today's video, we are going to talk about how to convert your NTFS external storage into FAT32 drive. So all you have to do is to simply follow my steps. So first one is that we need to plug in our FAT32 drive or NTFS drive. So for this one, I have already, let's say, converted my NTFS 466 gigabyte drive external storage drive to FAT32 drive. So yeah, I'm just going to click no on this one. There we go. So right now, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to a website. So the reason why you need to secure a FAT32 website, or let's say FAT32 USB disk, is that if you're going to update your motherboard drivers, especially if you're using ASRock B450M or ASRock B450 Steel Legend drivers or motherboards, you actually need to update the drivers on this one, the motherboard drivers. If you're trying to upgrade your processor. So mine, I upgraded it to Ryzen 5 4600G from previously Ryzen 3 3200G. So upon upgrading that one, I actually had some complications when I tried to run some games. So what I did is that I actually downloaded this one, the 4.31. So you might be wondering, why would you want, or why do you need to why do you need to secure a FAT32 drive? So all you have to do is to check on this one. It will give you the reason why. So if you are to download this file, you actually need to put it into your FAT32 formatted USB disk. So in case you don't want to buy another USB disk, all you have to do is you can convert your external hard drive into FAT32. So, but before we proceed, of course, is if you have any valuable files into your external hard drive, you may need to back up your data. So you might want to create a folder on your PC. You might say this one, external hard drive datas or files and whatnot. So before you convert your external hard drive, all you have to do is to copy, or yeah, all you have to do is to copy all of those important files and paste it for the meantime on your PC. And yeah, there we go. So that's all that's need to be done there. If that's just in case if you have any important files, okay? So if not, then we're going to proceed. So the next thing that you're going to do, or the first things that you need to plug in the desired USB whom you're trying to convert to FAT32 format. So once you have already converted it, I would like you guys to go to this website. So don't worry, because I will be pasting it in the descriptions below. So regscrub.co.uk and whatnot. So all you have to do is to click on this. You click on the image. Okay. After you click on the image, it will lead you to download some files. But you don't have to worry, because this file is totally safe. Okay. There's no malware or whatnot. So it does not actually take up too much of a space on your PC storage. So since I already downloaded this one, I'm just going to find it on my PC. So for me, I named it fix. There we go. And all you have to do is so double click on this one or open it. And after that, you will be seeing this pop-up window. So the next thing that you would do here, drive. So you need to select the driver that you want to format to FAT32. But please do make sure that before you format, or the desired format for this one is that the NTFS, or the previous format of the FAT32 drive. So if you're going to select on this one, there we go. So it needs to be NTFS. But since I don't want this to be converted into NTFS, I'm just showing you guys what the correct format. In order for it to be successfully converted, it needs to be this way. Okay. So since I already did that one, all you have to, so once you already selected your desired driver to be converted to FAT32 drive, the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to select the allocation unit size, and I believe it's around 32768. So that's the standard, or that's the yes, let's say known allocation unit size for the FAT32 drive. And the next thing that you're going to do is that you need to label that drive as FAT32 underscore drive. No more, no less. You actually need to copy the exact name for this drive. Okay. So there we go. And the format options, of course, you need to fill out each quick format. And if you're going to click start, it will start converting your NTFS driver into the FAT32 drive. Okay, so I'm just going to close it right now. So after that, so you're going to download this file. So after downloading this file, okay, so I think I have it already, so let me just go back to my, so after downloading that file, you would be routed to this site. You would find it on your folders to where you have downloaded it. So let me download this one. Okay, and let me download to, there we go. And yeah, after this one, you need to show in folder, and you need to extract folder here. Okay, so after you extracted that folder, all you have to do is to copy this file to your newly formatted FAT32 drive. Since I already did that one, I will not be doing it again to avoid, let's say, errors on my system, I guess. So let me just delete this one. There we go. So after downloading it, that one, it's already stored in your FAT32 drive. So it's already been converted. Now you might be wondering, how would you convert your FAT32 drive back to the previous format, which is the NTFS version? It's actually quite easy. All you have to do is to click on, or I mean right click and click on the format. And if you are to click on the format, it will, the system will select the default format, which is the NTFS, and all. So you don't have to change anything. So here you might change it to the other, to the, let's say, external hard drive, 500 GB. There we go. So since I don't want it to be formatted back to the NTFS yet, I'm not going to do it. But if you would like to, you can actually fill out the quick format button and click start. And after that, you just need to wait for the process, and then it will go back to the old version. And with that, you can now, let's say, transfer your important files to your external hard drive, to which you have transferred earlier upon before formatting your external hard drive. So yeah, that's all you need to do in order to, let's say, format your external hard drive to FAT32. So if you guys have any questions, you feel free to comment down your questions, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next video.